Cuban Foreign Affairs Minister Bruno Rodriguez has said that the Group of 77+China Summit, which is held in Havana on Friday and Saturday, will tackle core development issues. The minister made the remarks at a press conference held on Wednesday.
La cumbre se propone evaluar y debatir los principales desafíos y cuestiones medulares del desarrollo de las naciones del sur.
He said that the summit is set to issue a final declaration that will include the purposes and principles of the bloc and address the needs of developing countries. According to the minister, the declaration will be approved at the final session of the summit, which will draw delegations from over 100 countries, including about 30 heads of state or government.
El proyecto de documento, cuya aprobación habrá que esperar que ocurra al final de esta cumbre, es un texto progresista de alcance universal, de tono positivo, constructivo, pero al mismo tiempo leal a los propósitos y principios del Grupo de los 77.
Cuba took on rotating presidency of the G77+China this January. The G77 is a group of developing countries first established in 1964. Today, the bloc gathers 134 member countries, or over two-thirds of UN member countries.